A judge said the mother and father charged in a planned family suicide pact will remain in jail without bond. I'm Fox 4's Bella Line, and I was in the courtroom when we heard from a detective that the attempted suicide was planned weeks in advance. Now, we want to warn you, some of these details may be hard to hear. Barbara and Neil Bates sat quietly as the detective told the courtroom what happened on November 4th in Lehigh Acres. The detective says for weeks, Barbara, Neil, and their 18-year-old son planned a family suicide pact because of financial issues they were facing.
They were handwritten items that were located on the scene depicting what their plan was.
The sheriff's office said Barbara even tried to buy a gun a month before.
Based on the wait period to obtain the firearm and the amount of money to purchase the actual firearm, deterred them from their utilizing that as their plan.
On the same day, the detective says Barbara went to the store, bought steak and sleeping pills, then went home and they all watched a horror movie. It was after that when the sheriff's office said they attempted the suicide plan. The detective says Neil harmed himself.
Out of fear of having to cause harm to his son, and didn't want to be part of the aftermath of
Court documents said Barbara harmed herself and their son, who has Asperger's and the mentality of a 12-year-old. The detective said the son told them he got scared and wanted to stop. According to the report, Barbara waited to call 911 for 30 to 40 minutes, and when they arrived, she told them they got there too soon and wished the plan had succeeded. As prosecutors argued to keep them in jail, Barbara's attorney said they're not a danger to anyone else.
And this incident was confined to just the three of them. It didn't involve anybody else?
No, sir.
So there's no evidence that they're a danger to the community?
In this particular incident, no.
The detective also said Neil's visa has expired. All of the information led the judge to make a final decision. The son did survive, but his condition isn't known. Both will be back in court on December 8th. Reporting in Fort Myers, Bella Line, Fox 4.